Want to fix Google Play Store not opening on your Android? Sometimes tapping the Play Store icons does nothing, or it opens briefly and then crashes. This usually happens because of corrupted app data, an outdated app, or system issues. No worries. Here's a simple way to solve this problem quickly and easily. Solution 1. Clear cache in data for Play Store and Play services. Open your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the Apps list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap on Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then clear all data. Solution 2. Check if the app is disabled or uninstall updates. The Play Store app might have been accidentally disabled, or a recent update could be causing issues. Check if disabled. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, find and tap on Google Play Store. On the app info page, if you see an Enable button, tap it. If it's already enabled, proceed to the next step. Uninstall Play Store updates. While on the Google Play Store's app info page in Settings, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Uninstall Updates and confirm. This will revert the Play Store to its factory version. Restart your phone. When you play the Play Store again, it will automatically update in the background. Once updated, try opening it. That's all you need to do. Try one of these steps to fix the Google Play Store not opening on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.